Jeez. What happened to your finger?
No.
I don't know what happened to it. It looks like you have a boo-boo on it.
No.
Do you think you could show me? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Oh, let me see. Let me see it. You think we could see what happened to your finger? Did you hurt it? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's such a bad little boo-boo. How do you make it? But that's okay. Let's see the car. Wait. Oops. Shake it up. Shake it up. Okay. Oh. Can you shake it up too? Good job. No, I'll put it down. Let it go. Shake it up again. Shake it up one more time. Shake it. 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 Good job. Oh. Up. You have 3 of them. Can you count them for me? 1, 2. Hey Walker, how old are you? How old are you? You're not 3. You're 2. You're 2. 2. Oh, you want to see you? Who's that good-looking kid? Who's that good-looking kid? Can you tell the camera how old you are? 2.
3.
You're 2?
Hi.
Oh. Let's see your finger. There you are.